Now we have been over the basics, how to create a 2D and the star game. Today we're gonna work with the score system. So if there is a collision between our player game object and the coin game object, we're gonna destroy the coin, then we're gonna add a score amount to the text field here. So before we get started, let's create a new C# script. Let's name it score amount. Open it up in develop and delete the start and update methods, and let's create a new void. So if there is a collision between our player game object and the coin, we're gonna destroy our coin. But before that, make sure that our player is tagged to player. By default, it's gonna be tagged to untagged. So now let's apply our code to the score game object. Now let's try to test. So our coin is automatically destroyed. Now let's try to create another script. So create a new C# script. Let's call it score text script. Let's apply this code to our text here. Sorry. Text, and then now it's applied. So score text, let's open it up and develop. Before we work with our text, let's add a new library using Unity engine.ui. Make sure you use it. So let's create new text. Let's make it public, for example. And before that, let's go back to our score amount and try to declare a new int. Public static, don't forget to make it static so we can work with it on the score text script. Score static and score amount equals to 0. And here let's add score amount plus equal to 10. Let's save our code and go back to score text. So what we're gonna do, our text dot text equal to or score plus score amount dot score mount. Now let's save and go back to our code. So our text, let's put it here and let's try to test. So our score value is added. Now let's apply. Okay. Now we can make another instance of our coin game object. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Good night.